I'm going to be making a Math Minute app in this video. So just to show you what it will look like, here it is. So you click start and then you have 60 seconds to enter as many of these guys as you can. Just like that. If you get a wrong answer, then it shows up in red. So that's what I'm going to be making. I'm starting off from scratch, so I'm starting off with really nothing except jQuery already in here. For my first commit, I'm just going to set up some boilerplate HTML. And so in here, I'm just going to do the usual doc type HTML. There we are. And now I'm going to open that up in Chrome, make sure I have that. There it is. All right, looking good so far. Then after that, I'm just going to make a little commit I'm just going to make a few changes just to make sure that I have jQuery running on here. So first, I'm going to need to actually include jQuery. I'll do that with my script tag. And then I'll include this little script.js file that I just made. And then I'm going to need to start off with document.ready, just like with any jQuery app. Document.ready tells the browser to wait until the entire page has been loaded before executing the code that I put inside this function portion. So I'm going to start off with something simple just to make sure this is working. I'm going to do something like turning the background color of the body to red. So let's see if this works. If I refresh this page, it turns red, so that's pretty good. If I didn't have the document ready, then it wouldn't work at all. And that's because the web browser executes all of these different lines of code in the order in which they appear in this index.html. So first it executes this line, then this, and this, so on and so forth. And then by the time it starts executing my JavaScript, this line, this is all the browser knows about. It doesn't know about all these lines that are going to be coming up in a bit. It only knows about these lines so far, 1 through 6. And there's no body yet. So by the time it executes this, there's no body. That's why this document ready is important. It tells the browser to wait until the entire page is loaded, so until the browser has read through all of these lines of code before trying to do any of the code inside here. For example, turning the body red. And that works just fine. So I'm going to have that be my first commit, and I'll just say something like added boilerplate HTML.